Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to my year 5 pupils. Okay, Al Ghazali and Al Farabi. Okay, I hope this morning, you are in good conditions. Okay, so we continue our lesson for today's under Unit 1, Reading a Window to the World. Our topic today is Blur, Blur and Benefits of Readings. Okay, we start. Everybody, take out your textbook. Alright, remember to take out your textbook, and your handouts. Okay. First topic is blur. Okay, B-L-U-R-B. Okay, what is blur? Okay, what is blur? Blur is a short description of a book. It's like synopsis. Okay, the short description of a book. Okay, but synopsis is more longer. Synopsis is a short description of the whole story. Synopsis, but blur is a short description of a book. Okay, what is a book? The genre of the book. Is it horror? Is it a foxhole? Is it science fiction? Alright, the 6 genre that we learned last week. Okay, so blur is a short description of a book. Okay, next. Okay, now before I go to the blur, okay, there are 10 benefits of readings. Okay, as we read, whatever, we read English book, we read science fiction story book, we read a horror book, we read bibliography books, whatever. So there are benefits for us. Okay, alright. 10 amazing benefits of reading books. There are: strengthen your writing skill. By reading more, actually it can strengthen. Strengthen, that means our writing is will be more tidy, will be more interesting. Okay, next, it improves our memory and focus. Alright, improve our memory and focus. We have to read. For example, mathematics, we need to know the formula of mathematics. But to gain more knowledge, we have to read. Okay, so read, and read. Okay, next, enhances your imaginations. Okay, we will if we read the science fictions. Okay, we imagine, wow, out there is a new world, new planets, a new form of life. All right. Okay, it's when we imagine more, it makes us interested to learn more about others. Okay. Next, increases your vocabulary. This is very important. Okay, as you read English book, you need to know every word that you read. Okay, possible. Please understand all the words that you read. Use your dictionary. Okay, find out the meanings of the words, new words. Okay, so by reading, it increases your vocabulary, and then expand your knowledge. Yes. Okay, because of our topic, as you look at our topic, readings, a window of a world. So that means that it expands our knowledge. Okay, by reading, it can expand our knowledge. Okay, we know everything. You know about other countries. We know about other cultures. Okay, other religions. What we know that is by reading books. Okay, next, we reading also make us stimulates your brain. Okay, or our brain. Okay, makes our brains. Okay, we can think fast. Okay, we can make decisions fast. Okay, we can solve a mathematical problem fast. Okay, we can answer examination question fast because it stimulates our brain. Okay, don't just play games, right? And then sleeping, right? So find a book and read. All right, and then boost our mood, our boost your mood, or very excited. Okay, today I want to wake up early. I want to wait Cikgu Kamal. Okay, I want to watch Cikgu Kamal YouTube, for example. Okay, boost your mood. Ready. Early in the morning, I ready. I want to watch Cikgu Kamal English language YouTube for my exercises. Alright, so it can boost your mood. Okay, from sad to happy, from dull to excitement, okay, excited, right? And then deepen empathy. Sometimes we read a storybook that have a sad feeling about others who are not in good positions. Okay, so we read, and then it depends our empathies. Okay, okay, because of this we have to do this. All right, all right, and then it helps you to relax by reading leisure books, by reading soft minded book. It helps us to relax. Okay, even if you recite Al-Quran, okay, when we recite Al-Quran also is a reading, right? It helps us to relax, right? Control our emotion, happy always. And it's this is for me lah, lower stress. Okay, we want to feel sad. We don't want to feel sad. We don't want to feel angry every time. So read something. Read, for example, to lower your stress, you have to read jokes. Jokes. Okay, comedian or cartoon. Okay, so this is what are the benefits of reading. Okay, 10 amazing benefits of reading. Okay, pupils, I need you to remember all that 10 benefits of reading. Remember the benefits. Alright, one by one, there are 10. Okay, remember in your head. Remember the first one is what, second one is what, third one is what, fourth one is what. Okay, make sure every word you have to look out in your dictionary. Make sure you know the meaning of word. Okay, make sure year 6 you must have your dictionary on your side. Okay, either dictionary English to English or English to Malay. Make sure you know. For example, the word straighten. Okay, what is the meaning of the word straighten in your dictionary? Okay, okay, because you have this year you already in a little bit higher level. Okay, there are strong words, there are difficult words you have to learn. So these are the first steps. Okay, I show you some difficult words. Okay, you need to know the meanings of this word. Okay, next. Okay, now in your handouts there is a diagram. Okay, a circle. Okay, circle map. What you call this? A circle map. Okay, in your circle map, okay, in the middle of the circle map is written benefits of reading. So I need you with your creativity. Okay, complete the circle map with the 10 benefits of reading that we learned just now. Okay, these 10 benefits of reading you need to complete in the circle map. Alright, so the benefit of the reading for your family and to your friend, also yourself. Okay, just create your circle map with 10 benefits of reading. Whatever you want to do, you want to color it, whatever, with your cursive writing, whatever, you do it. Okay, I need to have 10 reading. Okay, reading benefit in this circle map. Okay, got it? Do you understand? Okay, very good. Okay, next we go to, alright, in your textbook. Okay, look in your textbook. Okay, this is under blur. Okay, this is under the blur. Okay, again, what is the meaning of the word blur? What is the meaning of the word blur? Okay, a blur is a short description of a book. Okay, now we have the storybook title Roald Dahl. Okay, this is very popular storybook. Okay, even this book, this narrator, by the topic Matilda. Okay, there's also a film about Matilda in Astro. It's about a girl. Okay, so in this book, okay, the short blur of this book is about Matilda. Okay, look here. Let me read. Matilda is a genius. She is not only a bookworm, but a maths wizard too. Unfortunately, her parents do not appreciate her. When Matilda starts school at Cruncher Hall Primary School, which is run by the strict Miss Trunchbull, a big-sized and ferocious woman, she developed more unbelievable talents. Okay, so this is about a very talented girl, genius girl, okay, who did not know that she is very clever, right? So this is the blur about Roald Dahl, story about a very genius girl. Okay, so after you read this blur or this passage, you need to answer the question. Okay, this is in your handouts. Okay, for example, listen to the blur, state true or false. Okay, number one, Matilda is good in mathematics. Is it true or false? Okay, as you look in the text, okay, Matilda is a genius. She is not only a bookworm. Okay, a bookworm, where the person who likes to read books, right? But a math wizard too. Look here, math wizard too. That means she is genius in math. So Matilda is good in mathematics. Is it true or false? Yes, true. Just write the word true in the boxes. So there are 4 statements. Either you write it true or false. Okay, next. Okay, this is about blur of Harry Potter. Okay, Harry Potter is a famous story. Harry Potter is a famous story. Even there are 6 or 7 series of movies of Harry Potter still showing in Astro. You can watch the movie. So now let's read the blur. Harry Potter lived a miserable life with a his cruel aunt, uncle, and their son, Dudley. He has no friends or any celebration for his birthday. He has never played a sport, too. A messenger brings him a mysterious letter. It is an invitation to a wonderful place he had never dreamed of. There he finds friends, sports, and magic. Something great is awaiting him if Harry can survive the encounter. So look at the sentences, and I need you to write the correct answer. Okay, and then you have to read this about scarecrow. Okay, and then look at the word or phrases about scarecrow and complete the circle map. For example, I already done it to you. Enormous raw arm. This is about scarecrow. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, we will meet again next week. So remember to do your homework. You are awesome. Okay.